Stonewall Inn it all began. The community's fight for freedom's plan. We claimed our right to simply be in neon lights for all to see. But freedom still feels far away as hatred turns the world to gray. 64 lands with laws so cold, where feelings must remain untold. In 12 alive behind the bars, under dark and heavy stars. In 6 they take your life away if you love in your own way. Respect and love are louder than hate. We destroy it with joy, it's never too late. Diversity is our greatest might, protecting our rights with all of our light. They call it therapy, but it is pain, trying to make you straight in vain. Re-education is the name they give, but only lies and torture live. Identity is not a choice you make. Trauma and pressure, hearts will break. The soul can't live a lie so deep, while depressions start to creep. The strike against our human rights brings the world to bitter heights. We stand up tall, we hold our ground, hand in hand we are unbound. Respect and love are louder than hate. We destroy it with joy, it's never too late. Diversity is our greatest might, protecting our rights with all of our light. We will not bow to those who hate. In every square we stand up straight. With our flag we take a stand, the rainbow flying across the land. Where the colors proudly glow, you'll see the seeds of freedom grow. Respect and love